Hey, what's up, future millionaires? I'm Josh Carter, and this is your one-stop shop for learning how to build wealth, make smart money moves, and create a life you love. Today, we're diving into Entrepreneurship 101, how to start a business that actually makes money. If you've ever thought, I want to start a business, but I don't know where to start, this video is for you. We're not just talking theory, yet we're breaking down how to find a profitable idea, how to start small but smart, and how to scale it like a pro. So grab a pen, hit that like button, and let's get into it. Part 1, what is entrepreneurship? Really, entrepreneurship isn't just about having a cool idea or working for yourself. It's about solving real problems for real people and getting paid for it. At its core, entrepreneurship is this: find a problem, solve it, get paid, repeat. Think about every business around you. That corner store solves your problem of needing snacks at 9 p.m. Uber solves the problem of needing a ride without owning a car. Amazon solves a bunch of problems like shopping without leaving the house. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur, you need to stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like a problem solver. Part 2, how to identify profitable business ideas. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. How do you actually find a business idea that makes money? Here are 5 proven ways to spot profitable opportunities. 1. Look for pain points. The best business ideas come from pain. Not yours, but other people's. Ask yourself, what do people complain about? What do they wish was easier? What do they spend too much time doing? If it's a real pain, they'll pay for a solution. Example, people hate cleaning their homes. Boom, cleaning service. 2. Study what people are already paying for. Don't try to create demand, follow the money. Go to websites like Amazon, Etsy, or TikTok Shop. Look at what's trending, check reviews. What are people buying like crazy? What are they unhappy with? Example, if dog owners are complaining about leashes breaking, that's your chance to make a better one. 3. Use your skills. What are you good at? What comes easy to you but hard for others? Can you edit videos? Are you good at fixing phones? Can you bake amazing cakes? Turn those skills into services and then into systems. 4. Ride a growing trend. Don't fight the wave, ride it. Look for fast growing trends and get in early. Big trends right now. AI tools, health and fitness at home, remote work solutions, sustainable and eco-friendly products. You don't have to invent something new. Just add value to what's already happening. Part 5, ask, would I pay for this? If you're not willing to buy your own product or service, why would anyone else? Be honest. Would you pull out your wallet for what you're offering? If not, go back and refine it. Part 3, validating your business idea. Before you spend a bunch of money, test your idea. This is where most people mess up. They get excited and go all in, only to find out no one actually wants what they're selling. So how do you validate your idea? Talk to real people. Find 10 to 20 people in your target market and ask, would you use this? What would make it better? How much would you pay? 2. Build a minimum viable product MVP. You don't need to launch a full website or rent a storefront. Just create a basic version of your product or service. If it's a service, offer it on Fiverr or Facebook groups. If it's a product, mock it up with free design tools and take pre-orders. 3. Get real feedback and maybe some sales. If people pull out their wallets, you're on to something. No sales, that's feedback too. It means you need to adjust your offer, your pricing, or your audience. Part 4, setting up the business. Now let's say you validated your idea. It's time to set things up like a real business. Here's your basic checklist. 1. Pick a business name and domain, make it easy to remember, easy to spell, available as a .com. Use tools like Namecheap or GoDaddy to check. 2. Register your business. Check your state's rules, but you'll likely need to. Pick a business structure, LLC is common. Register the name. Get an EIN, like a social security number for your business. 3. Open a business bank account. Don't mix your business and personal money. Keep it clean from day one. 4. Set up basic tools. Website. Use Wix, Squarespace, or Shopify. Payment system like Stripe or PayPal. Email list. Start with MailChimp or ConvertKit. You don't need to be fancy, just functional. Part 5, making your first $1,000. Now it's time to make money, real money. Here's how to make your first $1,000. 1. Sell before you scale. Focus on manual sales first. DM people, email them, talk to them. Don't wait for a perfect launch. 2. Use free marketing. Post on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Join groups and share value. Start a blog or YouTube channel around your niche. Be consistent and helpful, not spammy. 3. Refine your offer. Ask every customer, what made you buy? What almost stopped you? What could be better? Use that feedback to improve. Your first version should be the worst version. 4. Raise your prices over time. As demand grows, your price should too. Don't undercharge forever. You're building value. Own it. Part 6. How to scale your business. You made your first $1,000. Now let's talk about growth. 1. Turn services into products. If you're offering a service like tutoring, designing, or coaching, think about turning it into something scalable. An online course, a membership site, a digital download. One-time work becomes ongoing income. 2. Automate repetitive tasks. Use tools to save time. Calendly for scheduling, Canva for design, ChatGPT for writing help. Time is money. The less you waste, the more you scale. 3. Build a team. Start small. Hire freelancers or virtual assistants to help with tasks like social media, customer service, admin stuff. Focus on what only you can do and outsource the rest. 4. Create a sales funnel. A funnel is just a fancy way of saying, take a stranger, turn them into a fan, then a customer. Basic funnel. 1. Attract attention, social media ads, YouTube. 2. Offer value, free guide, helpful video. 3. Sell your product or service. The goal, make sales while you sleep. Part 7, final tips and motivation. Look, starting a business is not easy, but it's also not magic. It's a skill, and like any skill, it can be learned. Let me leave you with these final tips. 1. Start now, not later. You'll never feel ready. Action creates clarity. 2. Fail fast, learn faster. You will mess up, that's part of the game. Learn and move on. 3. Stay focused. Shiny object syndrome will slow you down. Pick one idea and go deep. 4. Invest in yourself. Read books, watch videos, take courses. The more you grow, the more your business grows. So there you have it. Entrepreneurship 101. How to start a business that makes money. If this video helped you, give it a like. Drop a comment telling me your business idea, and don't forget to subscribe. I've got more videos coming that'll help you build, grow, and win, one smart move at a time. Until next time, I'm Josh Carter reminding you, don't just work for money, make money work for you. Peace.